Welcome back, creators. Today we're unlocking the secrets to mastering woodworking fast with game-changing tools that will take your craftsmanship to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools will revolutionize the way you work. Let's dive in. Precision is everything in woodworking, and the WEN LL2156 scroll saw delivers just that. With a 21-inch variable speed parallel arm, this powerhouse lets you cut intricate designs with ease. The extra-large dual-bevel steel table gives you the stability you need, while the black-orange design screams durability. Whether you're crafting delicate patterns or working on complex cuts, this scroll saw is your ultimate ally. Say goodbye to uneven edges. The Kreg PRS 1000 corner routing guide set ensures flawless corner routing every time. Compatible with any trim router, handheld router, or router table, this tool makes precision routing effortless. Whether you're shaping furniture edges or refining intricate details, this guide set is a must-have for achieving professional-grade results. Accuracy is key, and the Woodworking Protractor guarantees perfect angles for every cut. Whether you're measuring bevels, setting up joints, or ensuring precise alignment, this tool eliminates guesswork. A simple yet essential addition to your workshop, it's the secret weapon for flawless craftsmanship. A solid workspace is the foundation of great woodworking, and the Wolfcraft Masterwork 1600 working table is built for versatility. This mobile workbench adapts to your needs, offering stability for sawing, drilling, and assembling. Whether you're working in a compact space or need a portable solution, this workbench is designed to keep up with your creativity. Power meets precision with the Milwaukee 2831-20 M18 fuel cordless plunge track saw. Featuring an 18-volt 6.5-inch blade, this tool delivers effortless, clean cuts without the hassle of cords. Whether you're slicing through hardwood or making intricate plunge cuts, this saw ensures smooth, controlled performance every time. These tools aren't just upgrades, they're game changers. Whether you need precision cutting, flawless routing, perfect angles, a reliable workspace, or a powerful saw, this lineup has you covered. Which tool are you adding to your workshop first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more woodworking tips and tool reviews.